Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Today we have Cadillac 2015 with some electrical problem. The cluster was replaced. Whether this car is old cars or new cars, you know that as a past, present and the future, we have a lot of experience about past cars and the present also, the future with hybrid cars and flying cars. We are in it. So come together now, see what we can do to program the cluster and what have to do. Some kind of cars that we work on it, as you see here, this one and this Hummer limousine, not this one also, look, and also this one. So let's go check this car and see what is the requirement. By the way, this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. The flood that happened in New York City, you know the consequences and the result of that flood. This car also gets some water inside, but they changed the cluster and they say that the speed, you know, like when they drive, the speed jump from 10, it doesn't read good, so they changed the cluster. I don't know if that's the case or not, but first we have to go through, as usual, into our website, which is AC Delco. Now they change it to TLC. Okay, I'm gonna log into my computer and then I will record my screen. Let me turn this off, the AC, so no noise. I hear some noise in the back. You know, the car inside there is like, beautiful. So let's go here. I'm gonna go online first. This car, I wanna try to diagnose it using GDS. You see, it's still AC Delco, but they say it's TLC. You're gonna come here, you log into it. You have to have internet. I'm using my hotspot. Let me see if it's active or not, my hotspot, yeah. It's good, so I'm gonna log into it. Okay. It sent me configuration number. Here is a configuration number. I have to use my email account to get the configuration number. Let me use my touch, and then I will go to my AOL. You're gonna get your configuration number. You have to write it down. If not, nobody can access your account if you don't have your email. Okay, here I'm gonna write this number here. It's M3 capital M3 ML, I don't know, 0 or O, say 0 echo. If it's not, I change that one. Login. Yeah, it's good. So you see we are now inside. I will go back. I have to agree. Scroll down, agree. By the way, okay, now it will go to subscription, for example, or scroll down. And here, okay, now you see subscription is finished. Your subscription is finished. We don't have nothing left. So what you need to do, we have to renew, or we have to buy a programming software for 24 hours, for example. So here you can add a VIN if you don't have. So now after you add a VIN, you work only with one VIN. So what you need to do, you have to buy one subscription. Come here, go down here, you know, SPS2, they change. SPS2, you have to buy one car, $40. Add to cart. Then now check out, $40. Okay, you have to check out, you have to agree with your condition. Agreement. Now you're gonna put your, okay, this is the piece. Now your username, password, and all this crazy stuff. Let me go now. It will open for you the credit card information to pay. Take your time. I'm going to pay for it. As you know, here now it is going to open page for payment. So you're going to be a little bit patient till we finish what we're doing. Okay, I finished pay for two subscription. Now we're gonna come here because we already have 24-hour view. Now you're gonna come to view here and now select add a VIN. When you add a VIN, now automatically it will take you to the place where launch Tech Connect. Now we are launching Tech Connect. You're gonna wait till it's communicate like usual. You have to have your credit card ready and buy with VIN number. Now, with this VIN number, you are able to program, diagnose this car, and do everything for this particular car. You have up to 2 years, I believe, 24 months to do anything that you want to do on it. But only programming, no diagnosis. If you want to buy diagnosis, GDS, you have to pay for it too. Hold on. Now, everything will look good here. Now we're gonna connect to the car. Connect to the vehicle. Okay, this is my DL, what they call my device connector. I already see it. Default device. Or anyhow, I supposed to get communication with it. I supposed to be able to communicate with the device. I don't know why. I'm gonna take it out. I take it out. It says there is nothing. I'm gonna put it again. I put it back. Let me disconnect it from there. I put it back. You see now it's connected. I'm gonna click on it. Connect. See? It doesn't want to work before. I'm gonna connect on it. Now I'm trying to read the car. They say they change the cluster. So and I was surprised I don't see nothing here. The park neutral reverse, I supposed to see it from the transmission. So let's see what happened. I'm gonna go to SPS. This is not GDS. If you connect GDS, you're gonna click on GDS and GDS will go into diagnosis. Now I'm trying to read the car, read the information, and here is MDI software ready, and we take it from there. We notice that you cannot reprogram a used computer for the older car. I don't know why, but here we have everything. So I'm gonna come here and click on this reprogram and replace. It will open another page here for me, or you click next in the corner here. We are clicking next, and then it will take us to the computers. There I'm going to choose the program. You see here, it's the cluster message. You say what? You say, you know, you have a problem, you have to program the cluster. You see this is the message. It say program cluster. So now I'm gonna go here and look for instrument cluster, IP instrument cluster here, this one. I will click on it, and configuration, file transfer, configuration, USB copy. You can use some of the car. Right now I'm gonna do it directly. I just say this one, and it says select feature. program setup and configuration. You see here, try to scroll down and choose this line, not configuration. So let's go now. Highlight this. I know that it's not clear, but be patient with us. We have the sun also hit. Okay, now we are going step by step. I'm gonna turn the car off in a few, ignition off, but everything look okay here. Read vehicle data. If there is anything because glitch on the communication line, or if we are not able to download the software because the transmission is not communicating, or electrical problems, that's for them. This car is limousine, modified car. Maybe it have a different way of regulation, but it look like getting programming data. Yes, I have the programming data here. No collection, new operation system. All what I'm gonna do is I will click next. Here is all the information. I'm gonna turn the key off, and I mean engine off, ignition on, and I will click on programming. Now you're gonna see a blue download here from the server. It takes 17 seconds to finish downloading that one. Here it gives me some kind of events. I don't know what it is, reprogram, download, verification. But anyhow, let me download it to the server, from the server to the computer. And now from there, we're gonna download it here. He said not downloaded. I don't know what he mean. But after 1 minute to couple of seconds, it will start downloading it into the cluster. And this is the same way for all other modules. You see, it tried to download again. It looked like there is a problem. He said not downloading. But I see here there is something. Downloading, verified. He says it's finished. You see now? He say finished. Now it's gonna be here in the next, right to the ECU, to the vehicle. As long as here is good, you see, verify, verify, verify. Now we're gonna reprogram, or something gonna happen now. It look like one tick is left. Here is the VIN number. Here also is the VIN number 2015. Suburban, Chevrolet Suburban. We gotta wait for the next downloading. It's gonna start soon. I know from 1 minute. Yes. Right to ECU, I see something start changing. Number start calculating down, but no blue there. I'm supposed to get something blue start coming. Yes, you see how coming? Ding, 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 ding. Hold on. I don't know why it say 41 second, or maybe it's count down faster, but it looked like it's going very slow. We're gonna wait for it. I'm gonna put my computer there for the internet. I'm not gonna let you just watch this one for 40 seconds, but I'm gonna leave it like this, waiting for download. After that, we see what we can do. Ignition is on as usually, so we're coming back. It's going very slowly. I don't know if this car have a different approach, or because we are here and the internet is slow. But I know the software is being downloaded to the laptop. It's supposed to be faster to go in here, or maybe this is a kind of slow, but we have no other choice. We're gonna wait. It's downloading now. It's supposed to be fast.
You wanna put the charger for the battery?
Yeah, put a charger just to be safe.
Okay.
It's going better now, but don't disconnect this.
No, that's good.
It's good I push this. I believe it's a little bit understandable. After this, if the programming is finished, you just clear the codes. If there's any configuration, I will put it into the second video. If it's not, I believe is going to be programmed and signature and everything is okay. This is how you program computers and modules on the new cars or new tech limousine or tech limousine or TLC, I don't know, Tech Line Connect. We have the same TLC in also is kind of limousine or license for a rental car or something like that. So I'm gonna let you go. Either I'm gonna stop the video or I will stop it and make part 1 or continue as the second part. Also, I noticed that here I'm supposed to get the vehicle connect vehicle, but I'm supposed to get the connection for the the MDI. I don't know why it's not coming. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, here what we get through. While we are downloading the software, the server get disconnected. So always try to be sure that you have the proper, so not to run to the same mistake that I have. Before I have no problem. And it say that get the internet ready and sign again. The system will go to stand alone, but I try to sign, no way. It doesn't want to go, oh, you see?
Okay, so I disconnect that one too?
Yeah, we have no other choice. You have to disconnect everything. Yeah, disconnect it and then we're gonna go near. So what happened is now we are trying to go near the internet. If it doesn't work, maybe we're gonna lose the cluster. Let's see if the car is gonna start. The car is start. The cluster is dead now, nothing is there. Maybe we will be able to program it again, maybe it's gone forever. So you see here, the text message here say, you know, the only thing sitting here, and you are not even able to close that. If I'm able to get it, okay, it's freeze. Okay, if I'm able to get it, okay. If it's not, then I have to buy another. So please be sure what we learn from here. Be sure that always when you do, I'm driving this car to go a little bit farther there, but be sure that if you don't have good internet, not good internet, don't try with it. BMW, even if the power disconnect, you can start reprogramming, but some cars, they are down forever. I have no problem. I'm gonna come near to the car, and I like this car too. And please give us the idea what you have. Anything can help and support TLC. Okay, now I'm gonna try to log in again and see what happened.